making Microloc with Microloc. Today MTDCN's here at the home of Microloc, and we're looking at this fantastic solution on the 3-axis machine tool. Now, Matt, can you tell our audience about this solution that you are using to make your own product with?
Well, we wanted something flexible, so we've got the standard Microloc base covering the table, so we can use that without the 4th axis on it to make sort of large parts and bases and things like that. And then we put the 4th axis back on, and we've got a selection of different fixtures that we use. So we've got the two-sided tombstone here. We can actually put up to 14 parts per face. Obviously 3-face machining for the sort of larger blocks. And then we've got a smaller 4-sided cube that also goes on there, again for small 3-sided machining.
So you've got a lot of flexibility, and it's a very modular system.
That's the idea. The idea is we make a family of parts because we're making the Microloc system. So this machine is always only making that. We do all the fixtures, all the vices, everything is all made on that. And it gives us the flexibility of the three-face machining, yeah.
Now, when you're looking to implement a system such as this, how important is it to be able to present so many components to the spindle on a 3-axis machine tool, but to also get that adjacent side milling?
Well, if you take one of these parts, for example, we can make that in 2 operations. If you only had a 3-axis machine, it'd be 6 operations. So
per part?
Per part, yeah. So we're making 2 or 3 times quicker than you would the old-fashioned way. So it obviously enables us to keep the price down of Microloc vices, and it means we get a throughput a lot quicker.
Also, Matt, you're kind of having longer run times, so the machine tool's running for longer because you're presenting more components to the spindle, you're utilising the machine envelope. Again, is this an important factor in this setup?
Well, it definitely is, because I mean at the moment we've only got 6 parts on here, but I think the run time for the 6 parts is about 15 minutes, something like that. So you imagine if you had all of it loaded up, it's probably going to run for 2 hours on a normal part, which gives the operator time to go and either run other machines, deburr, and things like that.
Now, this is a very popular solution, in the UK. How are your clients adopting this solution, and what kind of results are they achieving?
Probably about half of my sales are now on things like either tombstones, cubes, or for horizontals. The other half are obviously for the standard old-fashioned sort of 3-axis machining centre, just a flat base and standard vices, and away you go. But I have noticed over the last 2 or 3 years we're doing more and more things for 4th axis machining. It's a lot cheaper than buying a horizontal machine, and you still get all the benefits from it.
And these solutions, they are available for all 3-axis machine types, so you would make them to suit the machine tool?
That's right, yeah. I mean, all the customer would give us is the make and model of the machine and the make and model of the 4th axis unit, and we would design something to suit that. So they're all made to order to suit customer requirements, but utilising the standard Microloc vices and fixtures on top.
Matt, thank you very much.
Thanks.